Tired of your streaming night turning into a buffering nightmare? Let's dive into why your Google TV might feel like it's running in slow motion compared to a Tizen OS-powered Samsung TV. First, let's talk operating systems. Google TV, built on Android TV, is a powerhouse. It's got tons of features, apps, and personalization, but that power comes at a cost. Think of Google TV like a fully loaded SUV. It can do everything, but it needs a powerful engine to haul all of that around. It uses more processing power and memory. Tizen OS, on the other hand, is like a Nimble sports car. It's designed to be lightweight and efficient. Samsung has carefully optimized it for their hardware. One key difference is resource management. Google TV tends to use more RAM than Tizen. All those apps running in the background add up. This can translate to slower app loading times and sluggish menu navigation on Google TV, especially on devices with less powerful processors. Network connectivity also plays a crucial role. Both systems need a stable internet connection, but a weaker connection will disproportionately affect Google TV due to its higher data demands. So, what can you do? Try clearing your Google TV's cache, uninstall unused apps, and ensure you have a strong Wi-Fi signal. Sometimes a fresh start is all it needs. Now you understand why Google TV can sometimes feel slower than Tizen OS. What's your experience? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.